The road stretches out, a black ribbon swallowed by the night. There's only this one bus stop, a lonely island under a single, sputtering streetlight. The light flickers, a dying pulse in the vast emptiness. As we get closer, you see the digital sign, its red numbers counting down. 5 minutes, 4, 3. It reaches 0, flashes, and then starts all over again. The bus never comes. The wind whispers through tattered old timetables, their promises of arrival long forgotten. Did you hear that? A low rumble, like an engine, far away, but it fades, leaving only the sound of your own breathing. There's nothing else out here. No cars, no houses, no one. It's just you, the flickering light, and the endless wait. What happens when the countdown finally stops for good? Subscribe to find out.